Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys easy way you can braid this curly and drop hairstyle using braiding hair. I did this hair before here in my channel, but last time I used Brazilian wool and this time around I decided to try with braiding hair. But yo, if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back. And if you're new to this family, you are welcome. Before you leave, consider subscribing and turn on notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video is useful. So here I'm going to start with parting my hair. You may decide to do any kind of section you want or any shape you want depending on what shape you like, honey. And I'll be using this all sun gel, but you may use any kind of gel that works for you, because nowadays in market there is a lot of gel that work pretty good. Yes, so after I part my hair for the first time, I apply some gel and I redo it again to get these clean sections. So I'll go ahead and part small section, and then in this video I'll be use very few hair in each section, just like this way. And before, you have to make sure you separate your braiding hair into two. One side is smaller while other side is bigger. I'll be using this small section on top to wrap on my natural hair. Then my thumb finger will be at the middle of this section. As you can see here, I already make 3 sections. So I hold mid of these sections on my together with my natural hair, and then I start wrapping. Here I wrap 2 times, but you can wrap 3 times maximum. Don't wrap over there because the knot will be too big, but you may wrap 2 times, maximum 3 times. So after I finish wrap, then if the section is bigger, I'll separate my hair into 2. Then one section I'll braid without natural hair. But if the section is very small, just like this one, I put my natural hair just in one section. And then the first section to braid is the section I use to wrap. Why? Because I don't want this hair to unravel or this hair to slide out. So the first section to braid is the section I use to wrap. And here I braid not too long. You may decide any length you want. And then secure point is very important, because if you use braiding hair, it's so easy for this hair to unravel. So please guys, pay a little attention on how I secure here. First time I secure 1 time, then the second time I make sure I secure 3 times before I pull the wool, and then I redo the same section, the same process again. Hopefully this makes sense. So let's jump into the next section. Again, prepare 3 strands just like this. All section you fold into 2 to wrap on your natural hair, or to wrap together with your natural hair. After you've wrapped couple times, 2 times, maximum 3 times, then divide your natural hair into 2. And then the first section to braid, use the section you use to wrap to avoid the braiding to slide out or the hair to falling down. And then keep braiding till the place like you feel here it's enough. You may decide to do either more short than this or more longer than this, depending on how you want your hair to be. And after that, just take small piece, very tiny braiding hair, wrap couple times. You may decide either to wrap like 5 times, 6 times, and then the first time just secure 1, wrap again on your finger. Before you pull the braiding, make sure you secure 3 times and then pull the hair, then do it again to make sure your section is well secured. And if you secure your hair at the end just like the way I did, I'm telling you, it's guaranteed. It doesn't matter how long you keep this hairstyle, those section will not unravel. It doesn't matter what brand of hair you use, but that is very secured. So you don't need to worry that the hair will unravel before time. So guys, let me finish this section, then I'll be showing you how you can curly at the end. And here I have two methods. But then this is the first method I'll be showing in this video, but there is another twist method. It's in my previous video, but I think I'll put that video end of this video. So in case the way I curly this hair does not work for you, kindly play the next video, end of this video, to see that another method. I'll be using this wool, but you may use any kind of wool that you have. I just cut in small pieces, and then the first I wrap 4 times. I make sure I wrap the side I braid first, and then I wrap there like 4 times before I start to make curly. As you can see here, you just keep a little distance and then keep wrapping, then pull the hair up while the wool you pull down. Do the same thing till end and then secure one time. I just repeat the same thing till I finish my entire head. So after I finish make curly using this wool, I separate all the section into 4, and then I dip this hair into hot water and I leave in for about a minute. Then I take out and I make sure I use towel to make my hair dry, and I repeat the process into 4 sections. After you finish, you may decide to take the wool down when the hair is still wet, or you may decide to wait till the hair becomes dry. The result is the same. But for me, I decide to take down this hair when my hair is still wet, and what I do is I just cut the wool. I just cut the place I secure the wool, and after I cut, as you can see, the twists just come out nicely, and I make sure I pull the remaining wool. Just simple and clear like this way. So guys, this is the final result for today's video. This is how the hair come out. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, Kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your loved one you wish they know how to do this hairstyle. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.